Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name is Katelyn, and today I'm just going to show you guys a quick little Amazon sewing related haul. And just before I get into it, you may be asking yourself, Katelyn, your face and your hair looks the same as your last few videos, but your shirt's different. Are you filming them all together and just changing your outfit? Yes. Yes, I am. I don't think that bothers anyone else that someone would upload a couple of videos in a row or broken up wearing the same outfit because they filmed them all in the same day. But for me, I hate editing it. I hate seeing the same thing for hours on end. I don't know about you guys, any of you guys who make YouTube videos, does that bother you? I don't know, but that's why I changed my outfit, because I just don't like editing the same thing over again. The videos get mixed up when I'm editing them all at once, and then I get confused about what needs to be fixed, and because I like to go back and forth depending on what's needed. And anyways, so that's why, just in case you're wondering in the future why I look the same as like 2 other videos. Anyways, let's get into what we're here for today. This quick little Amazon order that I made that's all sewing things, and I thought I would just share with you guys in case you're looking for some of these things, because some of them are bulk items that I've been looking for, because quite frankly Fabricland has been getting ridiculous with their prices here in Canada, or Ontario specifically. I'm not sure other provinces, but every time I go there I swear something else has been jacked up, and you can't keep paying those prices, so where do you go? Amazon. So the first thing that I was actually looking for was a 28mm rotary blade. Now I have the 45mm one, which is I believe the next size up from this, which is it's quite a bit larger, but it's hard to go around like armholes and necklines and stuff that's more curvy because you have such a bigger wheel. It's hard to get in those tight spots, whereas if you have a smaller one it's much easier. Now earlier on in the week I had put it in my cart and saved it because I thought I don't want to forget about it. And then I went back and put it in my cart again and ordered 2 by accident. So at first I was kind of mad at myself because do I really need to? No. But what I decided to do was to keep them and have one for fabric and one for paper. So I used this to cut out a pattern the other day, and oh my gosh, it saved me so much time and saved my hand from doing this action for however long it takes, especially if you're cutting out multiple patterns at a time, because that particular one was a PDF, so I'm taping it, then I'm cutting it, then I'm figuring out what size, and it's a whole thing. So if you guys are tired of using your paper scissors, try rotary and just label it. I just put a P on the front and put paper on the back and put an F on the front of this one and fabric on the back so that I don't get them mixed up. Now this one is a Olfa, of course, and it only came with the blade that was on the handle. It didn't come with any extra in the packages. So I did also purchase Precision Quilting Tools Sharp Rotary Blades. Now they sell Olfa ones on Amazon as well, but I find them a little bit more expensive than these. And I've bought this brand for my 45mm rotary blade, and they work amazing. I loved them. I don't think there's any difference between these and Olfa. If you know a difference, let me know. Maybe I'm just not sure. But in terms of me actually using it, I haven't found a difference. So this one came with 5 and I believe was around $10. So not too bad. Definitely way better than Fabricland. These, by the way, were just under $20. I think they're 19 something. So not too bad, but again, better than Fabricland. I actually checked before I ordered these, and they were a few cents more expensive, but that was on sale. So their retail, like regular full price, is much more than Amazon. The other thing I looked at, which was kind of just on a whim buy, I've always looked at these foot kits for domestic machines. So I ordered the Big Teddy CY015 kit. It comes with a low shank adapter, an all-purpose or zigzag foot, a buttonhole foot, a satin stitch foot, quilting or straight stitch, button sewing on foot, sewing on a button, which I've never actually used before, a zipper foot, a hemmer or a rolled hem foot, a blind stitch foot, a cording foot, an overcast foot, a 1/4 inch patchwork foot, a darning foot or low shank gathering foot, and a walking foot. So what I was actually looking for, kind of, which is why I just decided to get this, was the blind stitch foot and the walking foot. So I bought a blind stitch foot off of Amazon before, just like a single one, and it wasn't that expensive. But for some reason it doesn't really fit with the preset of a blind stitch on my machine. I can't adjust it, it's just, it is what it is. So the one that comes in here is actually adjustable so that the fold that you have for your blind hem will match up with the guide and actually flow through. Whereas before I was just kind of having to guess and do it on my own, which I've learned how to do just because I haven't had a proper foot, and it's not a big deal, but this will just make things so much easier. And a walking foot, I've heard, changes lives. So, but like I said, I haven't used this yet. I haven't sewn a lot this past week, so I haven't been able to test it out with anything yet. But this one had really good reviews, so if you guys have this, let me know what you think of it. But I have a feeling this is going to be a good one, so keep an eye out for it. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And I did order some needles. I ordered some Oregon needles. I ordered some size 16s by 100s, which was just a single pack. But I also found a 10 packs of 10, so that's 100 needles of 80 by 12. They're the HA by 1, yeah, that's what they're called, 15 by 1. And these are just like your typical size, kind of all-purpose sewing. And this, I believe, was around 10 bucks, guys, for 100 needles. I'm never gonna run out. No, I definitely will. But come on, like you can't have too many just kind of all-purpose needles, right? So I was really happy to find this. Now I did try to find different sizes in this same size or different types, and I wasn't really able to find any, so this is good enough for now, right? This is as good as it's gonna get. Like I said, I did get the 10 pack of 16s, and I thought I got the 14s too, but maybe I didn't. And those were a little bit more expensive. I think maybe just because of the size, I'm not really sure, but get your hands on this if you can. I'm going to leave the links down below if you're interested in checking some of them out. I know a lot of you don't live in Canada who watch my videos, but if you do, these are just some great simple tools that you can find, and you're definitely saving money compared to going to Fabricland. Things like needles have gone up in price like crazy. Rotary blades and the handles are so expensive there and have always been. And honestly, I haven't seen a foot kit like that before. Everyone knows they're mostly online. But yeah, it's just a quick little haul that you can grab. It came really quick, and all of these things are gonna come in great use, so I think it's really worth it. So I want to hear from you guys. What have you ordered on Amazon for your sewing notions or tools kit that has been really helpful to you? Let me know down below and I'll go search it up. Maybe it'll help me as well. Again, check out the links if you want. There's no affiliate or anything like that. Nothing's being promoted or paid for in this video. They're just things that I ordered that I thought maybe you guys would be interested or that would really help you in your making. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time, crafters. Bye!